Okay, so this is the results of the repair therapy I did to my hair. I'm happy. I'm satisfied. My ends feel much better. My hair is much softer. One thing I'm not happy about is the Cantu leave-in that I used. It actually left debris in my hair, probably because I used too much, but I was just like in a panic mode. So for the most part, everything I did, it worked wonders. My hair is soft again. My ends are, they're not looking all ratty and stuff. It's just really good right now. So I'm happy and excited about my hair. What did I do? I spritzed my hair, dampened my hair with some warm water, and then I also added the Stay Soft Fro spray to my hair, put a plastic cap on for about 30 minutes, maybe longer than that, because I was tripping. Like, I was trying to make sure that my hair was saved. After that, I put the Cantu leave-in in my hair, twisted my hair up. I twisted my hair for several days, kept it twisted, sprayed it every morning, twice a day with the Stay Soft Fro. So it's like a really, really soft right now. And so yeah, came out really, really good. I am back in love. My ends do need clipping, but for the most part, they're not looking horrendous like they were earlier. So that is good. And so now I know a little trick whenever my hair looks like it's seen demons or something. It can easily be revived. Hallelujah. So shouts out to that, you know, and everybody who supported me. And I know you guys gave me a lot of different ideas as far as things that I could do. I'm sorry, I'm sitting with my computer on my lap, but what things that I could do to use better shampoos. Like one of my friends said VO5. I think someone else left several comments. You all left comments, and a lot of people hit me up on my Facebook page, which, you know, you guys can come and join me on Facebook. And so anyway, I just want to thank you guys for that. This is just a simple fro hawk. My hair is like huge, huge, huge. So I just decided to push back, you know, the fro a little bit. And I didn't go high. It's not a super high fro hawk. It's not all done up with pins all the way down, because I could have, but I didn't. I just pulled up these sides here and put the push comb, which I don't know if you guys can see that. Push comb in to you know, secure it. But that's pretty much it. I'm supposed to be heading out soon. We'll see what happens. So yeah, that's it, and that is all for this short random video. But I want you guys to know that the 911 hair emergency, I was redeemed and I was revived. Okay, Lazarus has arisen. Okay, all right. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe. I love you, love you, love you. It's Love Me 4C. Pieces.